pop-up I just fiddled with and figured out. So, and Crystal, this is great for you in your chair as well. So the arms are 2 or 3 or 9 or 1 elbow pop from your left side, however many you want to do. 1 is fine. And you capture it onto your right elbow at the same time trapping it with your left. And then you just reverse the spin on it. Boink! So it's elbow pops, capture, reverse the spin. And if you want some body work with it, you can tilt your head real cute when you capture it, which was Noah's suggestion. Boink.
I know cute when I see it.
Recapture and catch it in a reverse blind.